Hey guys, let's see today how to make iPhone vibrate in silent mode. So guys, if you want to make your iPhone vibrate in the silent mode, just go to settings. Yeah, you can see over here, just tap on it, and now from the main settings page, just try to find sounds and haptics. You can see over here, just tap on it, and now from the sounds and haptics page, just try to find haptics. You can see over here, just tap on it, and now guys, I guess it's already got selected always play. If it is in your case selected never play, just go and change to select, just tap to always play, and after that just go to the main settings page, and here just try to find notification. You can see over there, just tap on it, and now from the notification page guys, just try to find phone app. You can see over here, just tap on it, and now from the phone app guys, you can see over here this just select the sounds. Yeah, and now from here it's got selected classic. Just go and now just try to find the haptics. You can see over here it's got selected the haptics by default. So in your case if it is selected by none, just go and change to select by default haptic any. Yeah, so guys, this way you can set iPhone vibrate in silent mode. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.